special treat for you today. We've done food segments all over the world, but never have we been in the kitchen of a world-renowned chef. This is the father of wine country cuisine, Chef John Ash.
You know, I was sort of the first. I mean, it was a long time ago. When I first came to Sonoma County, to Santa Rosa, there was no good food here, which was surprising because it was an amazing agricultural area. A winemaker friend of mine took me to what was then the best restaurant in town, and I'll never forget this. It was in the middle of summertime, and here was all this wonderful stuff being grown around here, and this best restaurant in town was serving canned vegetables. And I said, you know what? I could be a big fish in a small pond.
That's fantastic. Yeah. What are we going to make?
We're going to make the simplest, everybody should know how to make this. So it's the simplest dessert in the world. The Italians call it Sabayon, French call it Sabayon. I describe it as it's kind of like all of the great relationships in my life. There's this wonderful thing, it's there, but then it's not there, and that's kind of about my relationships. So great memories there, but not there anymore. That's really good.
Well, I'm willing to help. So
okay, you're going to do it. So what we're going to do is I've taken some egg yolks here, a little bit of lemon juice, and this is just your own liking. We're going to add some sugar, so it's that kind of balance, and you add as much or as little as you want to, and then carefully measure the wine. You know,
that's careful.
That's
very careful.
And what we're going to do is whisk this together, all of these things, until they're combined. And then I'm going to let you do this. We're going to put it on top of the simmering water here.
So we just set it on top. Do I continue whisking?
Yeah, and keep whisking like crazy. So your objective is to keep it moving and to actually beat air into it. And what will happen is that it will rise up like the souffle. We won't see any liquid egg anymore.
Oh, I can see it.
And what we want to do is get it off there before we scramble the eggs. And if you look at it, there's all of the liquid egg is gone, so we've cooked it. Any fruit that you like is, you can put on here. So this is the kind of thing that you could do, even if you hadn't planned on dessert. And really, that's it. So there you go.
My.